Welcome back to the Success Blueprints TV, your personal finance channel. Today, we're talking about 5 great ways to grow your money faster. Whether you're just starting or you've been investing for a while, these ideas are for everyone. Investing is like a marathon, not a race, but the right plan can help you reach your money goals sooner. We'll talk about high-yield investments, dividend stocks, real estate, and even options trading. Stay tuned until the end for a special message you won't want to miss. Who doesn't want more money from their investments? Let's talk about high-yield investing. High-yield investments are like sending your money to a boot camp to get super strong. But remember, bigger rewards can also mean bigger risks. Some examples are high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, and corporate bonds, and of course real estate, which we'll talk more about later. My sister was tired of her money just sitting in her savings account at very low interest rates. She learned about high-yield investments and how important it is to spread your money around. She invested in different high-yield options, and it worked. In a few years, she saw her money grow much faster. She reinvested what she earned, making even more money, and got closer to financial freedom. Her story shows how powerful high-yield investing can be if you do it right. But remember, all investments have some risk. High-yield investing can be great, but it's important to do your homework. Let's talk about another great strategy, dividend investing. Imagine money coming into your account regularly while you relax. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you own a small piece of a company that shares its profits with you. But not all dividend stocks are the same. Look for companies that have a history of paying dividends and are financially strong. Some of the best dividend stocks are called dividend aristocrats. These companies have increased their dividend payments for at least 25 years in a row. They're like the best renters in the dividend world. Dividend investing isn't just for retired people. It's a great way to build wealth over time. By reinvesting those dividends, you can make your money grow even faster. It's like earning interest on your interest. Dividend investing can give you a steady flow of money and grow your wealth over time. Do your research and choose good companies. Dividend investing can really change your financial future. The easy way to grow your money long term. Index fund investing. Not everyone wants to spend hours researching stocks and bonds. It can be overwhelming and time consuming, especially for beginners. There's an easier way to build wealth, index fund investing. It's a strategy that simplifies the process and reduces stress. Imagine trying to catch every fish in a lake. It's hard, right? You'd need to know exactly where each fish is and what bait to use. Instead, use a big net and catch a lot of fish at once. This way, you save time and effort while maximizing your catch. That's how index funds work. They allow you to invest in a broad range of stocks or bonds all at once. Index funds are like big baskets of stocks or bonds that follow a specific market index. This means you get a piece of the entire market. When you invest in an index fund, you buy a tiny piece of all the companies in that index. This gives you instant diversification. This spreads your risk across many different companies. Diversification is key to managing investment risk. Even if one company does poorly, it won't hurt your investments too much. The impact is minimized because of the broad exposure. Index funds are cheap to invest in because they're passively managed. This means lower fees and more of your money working for you. Sarah, a new investor, felt lost with all the choices. She didn't know where to start or what to choose. She discovered index funds and liked how simple and diverse they were. It was a perfect solution for her needs. She started small, putting a little bit of her paycheck into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. It was easy and manageable. Years later, Sarah was surprised by how much her money had grown. Her small, consistent investments had paid off. She didn't have to spend hours researching stocks. Instead, she enjoyed her free time while her investments grew. Index fund investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. It's simple, effective, and accessible to everyone. Making money with buildings. Real estate investing. Real estate investing is like having your money work for you in the real world. It's a tangible asset that you can see and touch, unlike stocks or bonds. People always need a place to live, so renting out properties is a great way to make passive income. This demand ensures a steady stream of potential tenants. Every month, you collect rent, creating a steady flow of cash. This consistent income can help cover your expenses and even provide extra funds for other investments. Over time, real estate usually goes up in value, making you richer. This appreciation can significantly boost your net worth. Using borrowed money to increase your returns is a big part of real estate investing. Leveraging other people's money can amplify your gains. Getting a mortgage lets you buy a property with less money down. This means you can control a valuable asset with a relatively small initial investment. As the property value goes up, your profits get bigger. This growth can be reinvested to expand your portfolio further. Real estate investing can seem tricky and expensive, but it's easier than you think. With the right knowledge and strategy, anyone can start investing. Emily started small and bought a duplex. This was her first step into the world of real estate investing. She lived in one half and rented out the other, which paid most of her mortgage. This strategy is known as house hacking. Over time, Emily's property went up in value, and she borrowed more money to buy another rental property. Her portfolio began to grow. She did this again and again, building a collection of properties that made her money. Each new property added to her income stream. Real estate investing can give you financial freedom and long-term wealth. It can be a key part of your retirement plan. Do your research and start small. Even a modest investment can grow significantly over time. Real estate can be a great addition to your investment plan. Diversifying your portfolio with real estate can provide stability and growth. Level up your investing. Options trading. For those who like a little excitement in their investing journey, let's talk about options trading. Options trading can seem intimidating at first, but it can be a useful tool to protect your investments and potentially make money. Think of options like insurance for your investments, providing a safety net. They give you the choice, but not the requirement, to buy or sell something at a certain price by a certain date, offering flexibility. There are two main types of options: calls and puts, each serving a different purpose. A call option lets you buy something at a set price, while a put option lets you sell something at a set price. Options trading can be risky, and you could lose all your money if not careful. But with the right knowledge, strategy and plan, options trading can be a valuable tool. One way to use options is for protection, safeguarding your investments. If you own stock and are worried the price might drop, you can buy a put option to limit your losses and manage risk. Options can also make you money by selling covered call options on stocks you already own. This gives you extra income, and if the stock price stays low, you keep the extra money and your stocks, enhancing your returns. Options trading requires careful research, a solid understanding, and a well thought out plan. It can be a powerful tool for those who want to take their investing to the next level, offering both opportunities and challenges. Thanks for watching. If you like these investment strategies, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Building wealth takes time and effort, but these strategies can help you reach your money goals. Leave a comment with your favorite investment strategy or any questions you have. Let's grow our wealth together. Share your thoughts and experiences with everyone. The best time to start investing is now. Start today and watch your money grow. Start small, keep investing regularly, and let the power of compounding work its magic.